Hey, very good morning, guys. Welcome back to another daily market outlook. So for today, we're going to be looking at euro dollar, and euro dollar pushed down lower. Obviously, we can see that we broke that overall fractal low. After that, we've been pulling back in towards this area of supply, which is now created. However, nothing really that powerful. We can see no real follow through in towards the downside. Everything just a little bit slow inside of this area of consolidation for now. Now going in towards the 1 hour time frame, what can we see over there? Well, I was looking at the overall order flow. This is kind of like the overall buy for the sell, which I'm still looking at. If this morning we can break this overall 1 hour low, then I would be confident that we can start pushing down lower. If we break this overall high, it looks like we're just going to be moving back in towards this overall consolidation zone, with this being your swing low and this at the moment being your swing high. So that's that. If we just draw in that range trading tool, what you then obviously can see is that the 25% mark, as always, is acting as your area of support. And yeah, if we are to move up higher, then obviously the area of 75% will be acting as our area of resistance. Hence why as well, that overall high, if we break that, it is very likely that we are just gonna continue ranging. So yeah, waiting for this low over here to go. Now moving in towards the dollar index. The dollar index pushed up slightly higher. Obviously no real kind of like momentum at all in the dollar index. So still everything a little bit slow. It's still looking a little bit more bearish than bullish. So you're waiting for this high over here to go until we can really kind of with confidence say that we are ready to push up higher. For the rest, not really using the dollar index too much these days due to its slow nature. Aussie dollar, the most rangy pair of them all, already since half May. Haven't really been trading this pair at all due to its rangy nature. Overall, still looking for a follow through in towards the highs. It is looking more bullish than bearish at this time and moment. What I can see obviously is that in comparison to euro dollar, Aussie dollar did in fact already break a fractal high, meaning that this was the fractal low, this was the fractal high over here, which we've now broken. So this is now your demand zone. You can see we've already kind of like tapped into it. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do see some upside on this pair for now. Also looking at the dollar, at the daily, excuse me, there is still room for it to push up higher to take out these highs over here at the top. So yeah, that's Aussie dollar. Then pound dollar. What are we seeing over there? So pound dollar is actually the most interesting pair of the day. It's also the cleanest. So as we can see, we broke the fractal low over here, meaning that we now have an area of supply created. So this is now your area of supply, which I'm looking for a potential short from. So keep an eye out for potential shorts going in towards the 15-minute time frame. Keep an eye out for some structural change. Supply wise, there is not really anything that clean, I would say. Like you have some supply in this buy before the sell. If from here, for example, we see a sharp fall in towards the downside, then I will be looking for a short position. Going in towards Kiwi dollar, that was one of the cleanest ones yesterday. As you can see, beautiful price action overall. This supply zone, we came back in, and yesterday we started selling off during Asia's session in towards the downside, exactly in towards the area of demand, taking out these lows. So some nice price action from NZDUSD. Now this is an interesting area for price to potentially continue back up in towards the highs. Okay, so keep an eye out for a potential long from this area of demand. Going in towards gold, last of all, so gold yesterday, I just left the drawings on for educational purposes. What you can see is that I had this as a low, and obviously we have this as a high. Now, why was I hesitant with taking a position? Well, very obviously you can see this low failed to take out this low over here. So if you would have been short, you would have just been stopped out at break even again, or even stop loss. So again, waiting for the high over here to break, then to go for long, or waiting for this low over here to break and then to go for a potential short. In between, it's just kind of like a guessing game. Of course, there is kind of like a buy before a sell here on the 15-minute time frame, or on the 4 hour as well, from where we could potentially start seeing a sell-off in towards the downside. Do keep that in mind. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Wish you a fantastic day, and we'll speak soon.